Welcome to Electrostatic Spraying Systems how-to video on pump seal replacement. Here is a list of the items you will need. Let's get started. Using a 9/16 wrench, remove the four 3/8" bolts holding the pump screen in place. Then remove the side panel of the machine. Using a 7/16 socket wrench, remove the 3/4" bolts holding the fan and hub spacer to the pulley. Then remove the fan and hub spacer and set aside. Using two 3/4" wrenches, loosen the two pump plate retaining bolts which secure the pump plate to the floor of the unit. On each tensioning assembly, loosen the two most inboard 1/2" hex nuts to reduce tension on the pump belt. Reach from the side panel and push the pump inboard, loosening the tension on the belt. Remove the belt. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the self-tapping screw from the upper left front of the pump. Set aside. To preserve the liquid connections and sealed threads, we will remove only the front of the pump to replace the seal. Using a 1/2" socket wrench, remove the 6 bolts located along the perimeter of the back of the pump. Set aside. Using two 9/16" wrenches, remove the two 3/8" bolts from the pump base, allowing you to remove the front half of the pump from the machine. Set aside. With the front of the pump now removed, take a moment to inspect the back of the pump for large contaminants, debris, and/or damage. Now we are ready to repair the seal. Using a 7/8" socket wrench, remove the blue conical impeller nut and sealing washer. Using a 9/16" socket wrench, remove the impeller jam nut. Now remove the O-ring from around the back cover. Set these parts aside. Using two opposing flathead screwdrivers, pry off the black plastic impeller. The small flat washer from beneath the jam nut will now be dislodged. Check impeller for large contaminants, chemical buildup, and/or damage. Now remove the Woodruff key from the shaft. Place two opposing flathead screwdrivers on the lowest point on the mechanical seal and slowly pry off of the shaft. This portion of the mechanical seal, pictured here, shows the silicon carbide surface upright. This end of the seal should be placed down first on the shaft when replacing. Remove the plastic cover from the steel portion of the pump. Using a flathead screwdriver, push the other half of the mechanical seal free from the back side of the plastic cover. Pay attention to the orientation of the seal. The side of the O-ring should be placed in first. Inspect for damage in the recessed area of the cover. If there are any deformities in the plastic cover, do not continue replacing the seal. Call your ESS representative to purchase a replacement cover. Inspect the main shaft for any excessive scoring. Note the picture here has the factory scoring on the base of the shaft that promotes a proper seal. Any irregular deep scoring could indicate a problem area for continued leakages. Reassemble the pump in reverse order, replacing all the components provided in your seal kit.